Hey, Scott, how do I create payment plans on SamCart? I'll show you, friend. You're going to come to your SamCart dashboard. You're going to hit the Products tab. Going to come over here, click on the orange New Product button. Go ahead and say, this is called my payment plan, right? My whatever. Give it a quick description, and then from the pricing dropdown, you're going to select limited subscription, right? So we talked about that in the subscription video if you saw that one. But basically, you can either have a recurring subscription, goes on forever, limited subscription ends after a certain number of payments, right? And so what is the subscription price? Subscription price would basically say, okay, cool, I want to charge 3 payments of $99, right? So then I would put in $99 and I would say the total number of charges for this, okay? So that would say 3. If I had a 4 payment plan, I want 4 payments of $99, I would just change this number over to a 4. And then it's up to you to decide how often is this happening. Okay, you can do weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly. So I can say, listen, you've got 4 yearly payments of $99. I have no idea why you'd want to do that. Obviously, most people are doing this stuff monthly. Okay, so if I just hit create product right now, someone would go to a checkout page. They'd be charged $99 once, then again 30 days later, then again 30 days later, then again 30 days later. After 4 total charges, payment plan complete, all set. Where things can get kind of squirrely, right, is if you have this trial period. So just like the subscription trial period thing, if I wanted to offer a free 14-day trial here, I can, right? Free trial, 14 days, then the first of 4 $99 monthly payments. That makes sense? If I wanted to do something even crazier and say it's a 4 payment plan, 4 payment plans of $99, but I want to do a $1 free trial, okay? Then you do paid trial, and you say, all right, how much do you want to charge at checkout today, right now? When someone places an order, what's their initial price, okay? Then how many days before they start 4 payments of $99? So with this one right here, how it's set up right here, again, pretty advanced, but I'm going to use the paid trial stuff. I'm going to go ahead and click Create Product, and then we will open up this Express link. Go to Checkout Anywhere, click on Express, and just copy that page URL, open it in a new tab. And here we are, right? So you can see amount due now, $1, right? Then in 2 weeks, start 4 payments of $99 a month, right? So again, that's pretty advanced, but that's how you create limited subscriptions, also known as payment plans inside of SamCart. A lot of flexibility there. Go create your first payment plan product today.